How to create an FTP account in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Account Manager section, click FTP Management. You can create a new FTP account and manage the existing ones from this interface. DirectAdmin has already created a default FTP account for this hosting account. You can't delete this default FTP account. Let's create an additional FTP account. Click Create FTP Account. Enter a new username. You can manually enter a password, or create a new password automatically through this password generator icon. Click the password generator icon. There are 4 different types of accounts that you can create, depending upon the extent of access you wish to grant to the user. The path for the root directory is given for each type of account. You can also provide your own path of the custom folder you have created for the new user. Select any one of the options provided, and click Create. The new FTP account has been created. Copy and save the username and password. Here is the new FTP account we just created. Now you know how to create an FTP account. Thank you for watching.